First, we need to check if there's any obstructions around the window. If there is an obstruction, make sure it's at least 25mm away from the edge of the glass. For this product, we're going to measure the visible glass size. The gasket can vary on each window, so make sure you measure from gasket to gasket. So we'll start by measuring the visible glass size width. Take 3 measurements from the bottom, middle, and top. And take a note of the smallest width of the 3. Now we'll do the same for the glass size height. Measure 3 points from the left, middle, and right. And take a note of the smallest measurement of the 3. Now we'll have to measure the bead depth. This will determine what size bracket we require. Using a credit card as a guide, take a note of the measurement from the glass to the edge of the card. This is your bead depth.